हाई सुपर अचीवर्स, स्टूडेंट्स, पेरेंट्स एंड इंडिविजुअल्स, आज भी हम लोग बायोटेक्नोलॉजी के बारे में बात करेंगे। मेरा जो लास्ट वीडियो था ना, वो था ऑन डोमेन्स, इन व्हिच डोमेन्स यू शुड वर्क आउट, यू शुड हैव योर क्वालिफिकेशन सो दैट यू कैन मेक ए बेटर करियर इन बायोटेक्नोलॉजी डोमेन्स। सो मैं आज सोच रहा था कि मैं एक वीडियो बनाऊं वेदर इट इज पॉसिबल टू डू ए फ्रीलांसिंग जॉब फॉर बायोटेक्नोलॉजी डिग्री होल्डर्स, बिकॉज जॉब मिलने से पहले कैन यू डू सम फ्रीलांसिंग जॉब। वो मैं रिसर्च कर रहा था, गूगल में रिसर्च कर रहा था, चैट जीपीटी एंड अदर एआई टूल्स, लॉट ऑफ रिसर्च पेपर्स, सो मेनी रिसर्च आई वाज डूइंग। बट सडनली मेरे को दिमाग में स्ट्राइक किया कि मेरा लास्ट वीडियो इसका साथ थोड़ा रिलेशनशिप नहीं है, तो आई शुड फोकस ऑन ए वीडियो वेयर आई कैन हेल्प स्टूडेंट्स where the hiring taking place right now, what are the roles where the hiring taking place. तो आज का जो वीडियो है we'll discuss about two job lanes or job roles where the hiring is taking place right now. After researching in the job portals, I could find out these are the job roles where the hiring taking place. And आज देखेंगे what are the qualification requirement and the skill requirement, which is a major part of nowadays, salary structure and growth, whether you have growth or not, right? So if you are really interested, I think you should watch this video because you will have some clarity. And don't forget to share my video, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. चलो पहले देखते हैं, let's go. First job role है on clinical research. The job roles may be clinical research associate or clinical research coordinator. Entry jobs hai on clinical research, because when you are a fresher, these are the entry jobs you can find out. And you know, India is going to be hub for clinical research within next 5 to 10 years. India is going to be clinical research hub, so opportunities are there. Responsibility क्या है इसमें? Clinical research, I think you know, when you are going to launch a new disease method, that means disease control method or vaccine, you have to do some clinical research so that it is proved that it can be implemented in treatment of human beings. Okay, तो key responsibility क्या रहेगा? Clinical research associate, or let's take coordinator. They gather the data from the research team. They work in coordination with the research team. Once the data they receive, what they do? They make a standard operating procedure, develop a standard operating procedure. Then accurate data collection should be there. It is very critical part, accurate data collection and data verification also. Once you take the data, you must verify that data whether it is okay or not. And data confidentiality, okay, because it should not be leaked to outside. So इसमें actually if you are a degree holder in BSc Biotechnology or MSc Biotechnology or BTech Biotechnology, it is an entry role. I think BSc Biotechnology is enough for this, but apart from this you must have a certification. You must take a certification, postgraduate diploma in clinical research, and that is ICH-GCP, that is good clinical practices. This is a global certification that you have to take. Then easily, I think, wherever the hiring taking place, any research lab or any hospital, you can have the advantage if you have these certificates. Clear? Now we'll go to the second job lane, and that is genomics, bioinformatics and NGS. I am talking in combined, and the job roles will be genomic analyst. Job role is genomics analyst, and actually genomics, if you see, it is both wet lab as well as dry lab, and it is a combination of biology, computer science and medicine, where it is used to identify genetic causes of the disease, like a disease like cancer. This genomic analysis is done. Like that, suppose any rare disease that human is facing, that also can be go into genomics analysis. क्या होता है इसमें? What they do actually? Sample processing, extracting DNA or RNA for biological samples like blood or cells and preparing your library for the sequencing. There is a sequencing activities for this RNA and DNA. I'm not fully aware of this. Just acknowledging that I have researched something which is relevant to this. And NGS, which is called next generation sequencing. What they do actually? Next generation sequencing. Actually, they review millions of DNA data. Next, what they do? Bioinformatics analysis. Here, what they do? They actually take the programming language like Python or R and specialized software tools. उसको लेके they interpret the millions of data. And the last stage is clinical reporting. Transporting the complex genetic data into a clear report for the doctors, so that doctors can start thinking of the treatment method and the medicines. You know, nowadays people are moving towards personalized medicine, and personalized medicine, you know, they are a little bit more actually not preventive medicine, not action medicines. Why? You know, if you see, it varies from person to person. It depends upon your genetics, your environment, where you stay, how you behave, lot of things, and your lifestyle. That's why people, those who are a little bit rich, they are going for personalized medicine, and it is going to increase like anything. So these are the roles and activities of a genomics analyst. Here also, bioinformatics analyst also can work in this area. Little bit, they also can work in this area. Otherwise, both can work in this area. Genomic analyst, bioinformatics analyst. Then we'll see what is the education roadmap for this. You know, you must do BSc Biotechnology, MSc Biotechnology, and their specialization you have to choose genomics or bioinformatics. That specialization you have to do, you have to choose. And if you are choosing for PhD means it is a better role. If you have a PhD degree, then you can lead the team. You can lead the team. You can become the leader of the team. Those who are doing this analysis. Essential skills. What are the essential skills? Lab techniques you must know. What are the lab techniques? This PCR, ELISA, DNA and RNA extraction, CRISPR, NGS, these things you should know while you are studying your academics. Here I would tell that you please choose a better college or university. Private universities are now also better one. Apart from IIT, everybody cannot go to IITs or NITs or government premier institutes. So you can go for a private institute where this lab facility, ultra modern lab facilities are there, and you can have the hands-on experience. Then computers. You should know, you can learn these things online from Udemy, like Python or R programming, genomics database analysis, NCBI, and your statistics, because lot of data, no, you must have some idea about statistics, understanding the data variation. Soft skills, definitely scientific communication skills and critical thinking. So these are the skills required for this role. Where you work actually in diagnostic labs, like running a genetic tests, where they are running a genetic test. Pharmaceutical companies like Dr. Reddy's laboratory, then Novartis, where producing medicines. Biocon, then agri-tech farms creating super crops. Super crops means they are drought-free crops. See, a lot of things are happening. And government research organizations, you know, IGIB, lot of government research, CSIR, lot of research government institutes are also there. Here you can work. Salary, entry level salary will be from 4.5 to 5 lakhs to 8 lakhs. This is the entry level jobs. If you can find a better company like Novartis, it is a global company, the salary will be a little bit more. It depends upon the organization and the place where you are working, where the company is. So these things are for today's video. If you like this video or if you want to know more about these things, please write to me. I can help you out. See, biotechnology is a emerging career option. Okay, now you may think that jobs are less. Okay, yes, jobs are less, but you can find a job in entry level, then you can grow. Also, there are options to go abroad for your higher studies and work there. Right? Don't be confused. All the love, all the power.